Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to change your password in Windows 11. If you find this useful one, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is the password you use to log into your computer. For whatever reason you want to change it. To get started, come down to the bottom and click on the Windows Start button like this. Then you need to go and click on Settings. Like so. In Settings, come over to the left and select Accounts, and you need to go and scroll down into Account Settings and find Sign In Options. Click. Then what you need to do is go and click on Password and Waste a Sign, and it will go and take a moment to load, and you can go over to the right and click on Change. You need to go and enter in your current password, which I'll do, and we can then go and enter in our new one. So I'll go and enter in my new password. Now you need to go and confirm it, and you can then go and add in a hint. As well, you can then click on Next, and that's it. Next time you sign in, use your new password. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you so much for watching, and look forward to catching you in the next one.